Emilian New Seasons Z. Grand Dam is full sister to Valentina van Tijke. Emilian New Seasons Z is closely related to a large number of international 150-160 level performers. His Grand Dam, Jewel van Tijke, is a full sister to the Olympic horse Valentina van Tijke of Jos Lansing and the 150 level competing Mozart van Tijke. Valentina van Tijke has foaled the 160 level horses Boomer van Tijke and Epliza van Tijke. More Olympic genes are added by sire Emerald van Ruytershof, who has already produced a number of Grand Prix show jumpers, including Nika van de Bisschop, Emerald van Voorhof, Igor and Caspar van het Hellehof.